Scottish Open on the 5th of September at Cloudbank. We've got boys 6 and under. Boys 6 and under get on the way here for their first moto of the day. Looks like it's going to be Frankie Jackson leading this one out, followed by Callum Moretti from Scotland. You've got 2 English boys against one lone Scottish lad in this class. Number 3 there, that is Reece Butler, made the trip up from England as well. Looks like that is Frankie Jackson leading this one out down the 3rd straight into the last berm. He is going to lead this one down the last straight also, so he's got a comfortable win in this one. So that's our first winner for the day. And the 6 and under boys, followed by Callum, and that looks like Frankie's going to make the trip down the last straight. Also over the line safely. Getting the gates down on the boys 6 under. Looks like it's Frankie Jackson there that got a good start. It's going to be Callum Moretti in the 2nd spot for Scotland, and Reece Butler there in the 3rd spot. Frankie is leading this one out pretty comfortably already. We get into the 3rd straight, it's still Frankie leading it out. These guys are a bit spread out in this one, but it's still Frankie in the lead. So it's going to be Frankie in the 1st spot, Callum in the 2nd, and Reece Butler in the 3rd. By the time they get to the stop, finish straight there. The boys are away. Looks like it's going to be Frankie leading this one again from Callum. It's going to be Reece in the 3rd spot. Frankie still is in the lead of this one into the 2nd berm. Callum's in the 2nd spot. Looks like he's catching him up a bit there. He's got a bit of a run coming down the 3rd straight. He's going to go for the inside line on him, and he does, he makes it through. So good pass there. Has Frankie got a comeback there down the last straight? Looks like he does, he's carrying a bit more speed. He will take the win from Callum there. It's going to be Reece Butler in the 3rd spot. Okay, so we're going to move on